Thanks so much for sitting down with us today. It's been an awesome day going through the plant and seeing everything that CW Resources does. You and I have been in the industry a really long time. So give me a little background on what got you started in packaging.
I started packaging about 40 years ago. It was just something that intrigued me because of the diversity of it. Over time, I got more and more interested in it. And then I started up a company because I found one of the shortcomings of the industry was reliable people to trust. So I've been working as a mediator between companies and manufacturers of equipment.
Nice, that's good. So at Spee-Dee lately, we've been talking a lot about why we do what we do. And a lot of it is based on listening to our customers and building trust. So how does that play into what Russ Stone does for a living?
First off, companies don't always listen. They want to sell you what they have. They don't always want to sell you what you need. They sell you what they think you need. Spee-Dee's not that way at all. And Spee-Dee's a very, very valuable resource for us. And again, like I said, I work with the customer. I want to make sure they get what they're looking for. I want to make sure it performs. And I want to make sure it runs when you get it to their facility. And I found that with Spee-Dee, not only at the point of purchase, but through the sale, through the installation, through the service.
So talk about that a little bit. You've been to our place several times before for FATs. You've had our people come out here to do installs. Walk me through that process. What impressed you about what you saw when you came to visit, and also when our people came here?
Before I bought a piece of equipment from Spee-Dee, I came in for a tour, and it was very important to me, as it always is, to see where the equipment's made, how the equipment's made, to judge the environment it's being made in, to talk to the people that are working on it, talk to people that are servicing it. So when I first came to Spee-Dee, you open your doors to me. It's like, talk to anybody you want, we've got nothing to hide. And I asked a lot of questions with all the people. I got all the answers.
Nice.
So
well, that's good to hear. It's nice to hear. It's being my family business, it's always nice to hear that sort of thing, so I appreciate that. Our machines are made in the USA. How important is that to you? And if you could talk a little bit about where your products are shipped to from here, I'd love to hear about that.
First off, quality. If you're buying an American-made piece of equipment, that's quality. Our products, we package for the U.S. military under government contracts. We do coffee and gravy, and our coffee goes all over the world. Everybody in the world that's in the military drinks our coffee, whether it's on a submarine, whether it's in Afghanistan. And the fact that we're doing it with our own folks, and we're doing it with American-made equipment that we could depend on, it's reliable, just sweetens the deal.
Good. Talk a little bit about the experience going through a factory acceptance test at Spee-Dee, and then the next step where you had Spee-Dee service technicians come in here to help you with the install and the training.
When I come in for the FAT, I bring my technicians with me. So they're there to work with your technicians to understand the piece of equipment. They're there, they ask all the questions. So I think it's really important, if you're going to go to an FAT, bring the people that are operating the equipment.
Yeah.
So, and
they oftentimes have the best ideas too. Anything needs to get changed or modified, it's a lot better to do it before it leaves our facility, for everybody's sake.
And I find that they work very closely in the field with the technicians. They speak the same language.
Yep.
So I don't necessarily, but they will,
Yeah.
because they have to run it. So they're asking the right questions.
Yeah. Right.
They've already had conversation, they've had dialogue.
Right.
And they understand how each other think.
Yeah, good.
And it just makes a startup go that much smoother.
Nice. Fantastic. Well, I really appreciate it again for you, for your time and for sitting down with me and for welcoming us into the plant. And it's been a pleasure working with you over the years.
Anytime I can promote a company like Spee-Dee, I'm more than happy to do it.
Appreciate that.
Because family companies are definitely worth investing in, especially when they're ran like you.
Awesome. Thanks, man.
You bet.